Imagine walking into a French restaurant and understanding the menu without translating anything. No guessing, no confusion, just confidence. So hi, in this video you'll learn the most common French food words that native speakers actually use. The ones you'll hear in the cafes, bakeries, and everyday conversations. And by the end of this video, you won't just know these words, you'll be able to recognize them instantly when you hear them. So get comfortable and let's dive straight into today's lesson. First of all, what is food called in French? It is la nourriture. La nourriture. Bravo! Let's move forward. So I have divided them in categories. First we are going to learn the fruits. Les fruits. The first one is banana. So it is la banane. Banane. How it is banane? Let's break it up. So ba, na, n. Banane. The second one is cherry. It is le cerise. Le cerise. The third one is lemon. It's le citron. Le citron. A quick reminder here, le is used for masculine nouns and la is for feminine. It's very important to learn all the nouns along with their gender. So le, la, and then we have le for any plural nouns. Doesn't matter they're masculine or feminine. The fourth one here is strawberry. La fraise. La fraise. And then the fifth one is orange. L'orange. L'orange. Apple. La pomme. La pomme. Grape. Le raisin. Le raisin. Grapefruit. Le pamplemousse. Le pamplemousse. Then we have mango, all of our favorite. La mangue. La mangue. Very good. Let's repeat them again. La banane. Cherry. La cerise. Lemon. La citron. Strawberry. La fraise. Orange. L'orange. Apple. La pomme. Then we have grape. Le raisin. Grapefruit. Le pamplemousse. And the last one is mango. La mangue. Comment your favorite fruit in the comment section. The next one is the vegetables. It would be les légumes. The first vegetable we have is carrot. La carotte. La carotte. La carotte. The second one is onion. It's l'oignon. L'oignon. And then we have spinach. So here we have to combine S and E together to sound like les épinards, Les épinards. Then we have peas. Les petits pois. Les petits pois. Potato. It is la pomme de terre. La pomme de terre. La pomme de terre. Tomato is la tomate. La tomate. Beans. Les haricots. Les haricots. Perfect. So let's repeat them together. Carrot. La carotte. Okay, the second one is onion. L'oignon. Spinach. Les épinards. Pea. Les petits pois. Potato. La pomme de terre. La pomme de terre. Tomato. La tomate. Beans. Les haricots. Let's move forward. The next one is dairy products. Les produits laitiers. Les produits laitiers. The first one, cheese. Le fromage. Le fromage. Next is butter. Le beurre. Milk. Le lait. Next one is yogurt. Le yaourt. Le yaourt. Then we have condensed milk. Lait concentré or lait condensé. First one, lait concentré. And then we have lait condensé. Whichever you prefer. Then we have buttermilk. Le beurre. Le beurre. Let's say them together. First one, cheese, le fromage, butter, le beurre, milk, le lait, yogurt, le yaourt, condensed milk, lait concentré or lait condensé, buttermilk, le beurre. Bravo, we are almost there. Now we have desserts. Le dessert. Le dessert. So the first one is candy. Le bonbon. Le bonbon. Chocolate. La chocolat. La chocolat. Cake. Le gâteau. Le gâteau. Ice cream. La glace. La glace. Then we have a pie or apple pie. We call it a pie or the pie is la tarte. And if you want to make it an apple pie, then we just add aux pommes. So la tarte aux pommes is apple pie. Then we have chocolate ice cream. The same way, it will be la glace. And then it would be au chocolat or whichever flavor you're talking about. like la glace à la vanille. La glace à la vanille. Vanilla ice cream. And the last one is pastry. La pâtisserie. La pâtisserie. Very good. Last category here is any other foods. So the first one here is fries. Les frites. Les frites. Then pancakes. La crêpe. La crêpe. Then we have mayonnaise. La mayonnaise. La mayonnaise. And then we have bread. Le pain. Le pain. Rice. Le riz. Le riz. Salt. Le sel. Le sel. Sugar. Le sucre. Le sucre. And the last one is jam. La confiture. La confiture. Bravo, très bien. So if this video helped you understand French food a little better, you're already making progress because even small steps matter. So try listening for these words the next time you watch a French video, maybe visit a cafe or read a menu. You'll be surprised how many you recognize now. So if you enjoyed learning with me today, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more simple French lessons like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and enjoy your French journey. À très bientôt.